Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a GCP account. I will explain step by step. When you open a Google, right, you just search for Google Cloud Platform or Google Cloud Platform Console. Then you will see this page. Then just click enter and click on Get Started and give your email ID over here and also a password to create a GCP account. Okay, you can use existing Gmail account and a password. You no need to give a separate password. Okay, so click on next. Then it will ask for other details. You please select appropriate details here. I In this case I just chosen other, uh, but in your case if it is more relevant then you can also take another one. Okay, just click on terms of services which you are agreeing and just click on enter or continue. You can read here. This is as and when we log in, right, it will GCP will credit $300, and we have to use a credit card where it will charge 2 rupees. Okay, so and that 2 rupees also will be reversed. You have to fill the rest of the details which are showing here. I hope many of you are from individual, or if you are belongs to any business, you have to give a business name, or you can choose an individual. Okay, and you have to provide your credit card numbers here, and you know and other details which are showing here. After completing this 90 days trial period, you won't charge automatically. Okay, you may get some email stating that you can upgrade it, something like that. If you are interested, you can upgrade it. Okay, by paying the standard amount, which the amount shown in our website. All right, so I'm just entering my card details here, and I'm selecting unregistered individual under tax information. You can also use appropriate option, whichever is more applicable for you. Okay, and then once we select this, then rest all option, you don't need to fill it. So start my free trial. Okay, so yeah, you have to enter your security code over there and then click on continue. Okay guys, then when we do this, then it will redirect to other page. Okay, just click on continue. I'm just clicking. Okay, then it will move to this page where 2 rupees will be deducted from our account once you enter the OTP which you receive. Okay, right, I'm just entering my OTP here, and once you enter your OTP correctly, then click on submit. Yeah, see, very few are these are the details which we have to give to complete our account registration successfully. So and just select from drop down, like in the second point, what brought you to Google Cloud. So just select anyone. I just I can learn more and explore, and click on done. Okay, so it's kind of survey. Okay, just take it one more option, like I'm clicking on data analytics, and that's it. Okay, now yeah, now we got it right. So the account got successfully created. Okay, this is how we have to create account, GCP account especially. And this is the billing section. You can verify it because the first time $300 or equivalent to rupees will be credited into our account to use for 90 days. Okay, so when you progress this, right, so you can come and see how many hours that you used on how much deducted from this amount which got credited initially. Okay, so those kind of information you can see in a billing section. Okay. And yeah, see here, this is the amount, and 91 days they are giving, right? And if you really want to upgrade it, you can upgrade it. That's as per your wish. But this is a page where we can see billing section. Okay. So you can, okay, now just I'm going to home. You can, since our objective is to create a cluster, right? That's on Dataproc. So I'm just type in Dataproc uh, and click on Dataproc so that you will redirect to that page. But since we are initially login, right, so we have to download Cloud Dataproc API here. You just click on enable. It will take few minutes, and 2 to 3 minutes, and it will download it for us. And it will go to the page where we have to click on clear cluster page. Okay. So yeah, this is the the page that we are going to see. Yeah, this is the page. If you click on create cluster, then we are able to create the cluster. In my next video, I have already clearly explained how to create a cluster, that is Hadoop multi-node cluster on GCP Dataproc. Okay. So you can watch my playlist and get benefited. Thank you.